another video, and in this video I am showing you guys how I organize my Louis Vuitton Neverfull bag. I did do a what's in my bag a while ago with this bag, and I had a lot of stuff in it, and I was contacted by FFITIN, which is a purse organizing company. They have a lot of great things on their site, excuse me. And they decided to reach out to me, and they did send me an organizer. Now, you guys know, if you've been rocking with me and if you've seen my what's in my bag videos, I have my entire life in my bags. So this little organizer that they sent to me did come in handy. And yeah, guys, I'm just going to show you guys how I organize my purse using the FFITIN organizer. Okay, so this is what the organizer looks like. It does have the FFITIN logo, and it says "You Never Let Go" on the outside of it. And it is like a cute little travel case type thing, and you just kind of sit it in your bag. So I did get mine in the extra large because I do have the extra large Neverfull. So I did get mine in the extra large so that it will fit into the bag, and it comes with these cute little straps here. So you actually, let's just say you were out and about and you didn't necessarily want to take your entire purse, you can just pull this out of the purse and kind of carry it like a purse. So it's like a two-in-one type deal. It's an organizer, but for me it would also be like a little travel. You know how when you go on vacation and you have like your travel case, or not your travel case, but your toiletry travel bag type thing? This is what this reminds me of, like a toiletry caddy. So that's kind of what it reminds me of. But I am going to just start taking things out of my purse, and I'm going to start putting it in here so that I can transfer it to the bag. Now, when I originally got it, this did come out. As you guys can see, I did just snap this out of here. So it does come with 2 snaps, and then there's 2 snaps here on the inside, so you can snap it. So you do snap it in like that, and then it gives you all of these little compartments. Now, in total, this little organizer does have 3. This has 3 compartments on the outside. It has 2 large compartments on this side here. There is 3 more compartments here, and then on the inside of this middle part is 3, and then you have the 2 on the side. So this is pretty spacious. I mean, you can fit a lot of things inside of this organizer. So let me just go ahead and stop rambling. We're going to start putting the things inside of the organizer. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start taking things out. I've already taken out my little toiletry bag, and I'm just going to sit that here. And I am just taking things randomly out of my purse, and I'm just going to stack that in here. So this is kind of self-explanatory, so I'm just going to zoom through this as I and don't worry about this. This is actually the stand that I make my wigs on, and I was trying to figure out how to film this for you guys. But yeah, we're just going to go ahead and transfer everything from here into here. Let's get started. And look at my little shoes, my little unicorn shoes. Love them. But yeah, let's just go ahead and keep it moving. So this is what it looks like when I'm all done, you know, putting everything in here. So now we're going to go ahead and transfer this entire organizer into the bag. All right, so this is what it looks like inside of the bag. I have all of, you know, my things in here. I can access them easily. It does not bulge, make the purse kind of bulky, just because I always have a lot of things in here. So for me, it's not as bulky as it would be for someone else. I personally don't mind it because I do, like I said, my purses, I have my entire life in them. So they're always big and heavy on my shoulders. So this actually
helps a little bit because everything is inside of its own little compartment and not just, all over the place in my bag, which I think for me sometimes it makes your bag a little bit heavier. But yeah, this is how it looks. It's very convenient. It's very lightweight, and like I said, you can just take it out if you don't want to take your entire purse somewhere. You may not have as many things as I have in here, so you can just take it out and keep it moving. It also would be really good if you are a gym person. You can actually put this inside of your gym bag to kind of put like your clothes on one side, maybe your, if you shower, like your towel and your soap or whatever it is that you use at the gym. That would be really good for that as well.
Okay guys, so yeah, that was my little organization, quick little tutorial on how I organize my Louis Vuitton Neverfull bag using the FFITIN organizer. Again, I did get this from their website. You can go and check the description box below. I will have a coupon code down there for you guys for some money off, as well as all of their links, website, and all of that good stuff. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure that you do tap on that notification bell so that you do not miss an upload when I do upload, because y'all know, YouTube be tripping. But in the meantime, in between time, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.